Today I'm gonna be making a video. Boo, 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 boo. But I have to make sure it's 9 minutes. Because I need to. Right now, Oh, is that Gold Rush?
Come on, man. Alright, listen, how about this?
Oh!
If you give it a try, you don't like it, I will never ask you to play it again.
Golden Hour. Is this Golden Hour?
Chicken wing, muckle.
Because I can't tell anymore. Ow. My back.
Is that like a yes? Well, you never know.
Bro, let's go. Actually, let's get to.
Yeah. Go another one. Let's go. Go.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Maybe this whole time I was watching my video.
Doing glitches in Scary Baboon.
No.
Part 2 to get
Are you sure about the one that orange slide? Are you sure about the one that orange slide?
Alright, here's this one. It's really hard to do. So you guys need to be patient.
Yo, this is sick.
I did do it for a while.
Not zucchini.
This is
Have you ever tried a cucumber?
Right now I'm on Scary Baboon. There's like this blue thing in my game, and every time I get close to it, it appears.
You know what pickle is just a vinegar?
And I can't make it disappear. You wanna know something? A cucumber is a pickle. I did it! I did the long arm glitch.
Alright. I think
And that's how you get long arms and Scary Baboon.
Does it work for this?
Tell me
it does.
does not how to do this. I'm not trying to make a band here.
I'll fuck. Listen, I'm talking about when you first
This is
before
drip right
you
here.
started eating something. Like
drip right
before
here.
you ever had.
What are you doing? Try to make a video.
Oh my god. Yo,
Guys, we're gonna be in a
not a alright. Why not just try the game?
Hi, bro. I am going to be going to short long arms to my original arms. This is the arms I'm gonna be at right now. And I hope I don't get long arms. So every time I get tagged,
He's tag lagged. How old are you guys? How old are you? How old are you guys? Oh. Guys, hurry up, can. And why people are cheating. No, boy, you're not player.
guys, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm done with this. So Well, bye bye. Blah blah. Blah, blah, blah.